Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. So guys, if you want to secure your Instagram chat, then I'll help you how to turn on your vanish mode. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your Instagram app, and guys after this you need to click on your messenger. So guys, here you can see Instagram messenger. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys you need to click on that chat in which you want to turn on your vanish mode. So guys, for example, I am opening this chat, my Apple Sport, and guys after this you need to click on this main profile, and guys the privacy and safety, you need to click on it, and guys here you can see the option of vanish mode. So guys, simply you need to turn on vanish mode from here, and guys, by doing this method, when you need to go back and you can see here your vanish mode is turned on. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.